Hi guys, so I've had this trouble with my iPod for a long time. Um, it won't turn on or anything, so when I plug it into my computer, it won't even say it's charging, it won't even charge, and it won't restore either. I've tried like everything, like I'm pressing it, it won't turn on, I'm pressing the top button, and it won't even turn on, and I have the 4th generation. By the way, I got this like on Christmas Day, and it's not turning on. Like, I can try to restore it. It won't, nothing's working. Let me take the, nah, it won't come off. Nah. Trying to take the case off, but it won't come off. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Yeah, it won't. Nothing will happen. Hi, I look horrible. I'm sorry. But yeah, nothing's happening at all. I don't know what to do. Like, at the bottom, I had this, like, you could kind of see the rainbow outlook right there. I had a problem where I dropped it, and there's a big humongous black spot on the side. And I didn't care about it until I dropped it yesterday in school, and like there was this huge line going like that, and there was a red line and a red line. If I pressed it, it would turn rainbow, and I didn't think about it much, so I charged it tonight, and I tried to turn it on. It wouldn't work. It wouldn't turn on or anything. It won't even charge. But if you can please tell me something, I would really, really enjoy to know how to fix this. So, I'm trying to think of anything else. It worked last night on how to fix it, but yeah. So please help me. Thanks.